my mom, Rebecca.
And we're back with another culinary video for you to learn more vocabulary and a new recipe. A great way to learn new words and expressions is to do a hands-on activity and practice it. And through cooking, this can be a meaningful and delicious option. As summer approaches in the Northern Hemisphere, Elena and I thought we could bring you the recipe of a refreshing drink we love to make called
Pink lemonade.
for the hot days ahead. Brazil is a tropical country, so we make this beverage all the time. In this video, besides the recipe, we'll also teach you some culinary vocabulary and names of fruit in English. So to make our lemonade today, we're going to use the Syracuse lemon, mostly called Sicilian lemon, which is also known as true lemon, because it was one of the first types of lemon to be used by people. We're also going to use the Tahiti lemon, as we call it here in Brazil, but is normally referred to as a lime in the UK. What do you call these types of lemons in your language? Leave me a comment telling me. So besides the lemons, what are we going to need?
You're going to need water, sugar, ice, and raspberries.
Ah, very good. And you're going to need also a pitcher to put the juice in, and a knife, and a juice squeezer. So the first thing we do is cut the lemons in half and cut off the tips of the lemon so it doesn't get bitter. Then squeeze their juice using a juice squeezer to get all the juice and pour it into a pitcher. Then add some kind of frozen red berry. In this case, we will use raspberry, which is part of the berry fruit family. A berry is a pulpy, round, and usually edible fruit, and some examples are strawberry, blackberry, and blueberry. Depending on your country, you might have other berries you can use to make this drink. Then add the sugar and the water and stir until everything is mixed. Add some ice to make it more refreshing. Drink and enjoy. Now that our pink lemonade is ready, let's review the culinary actions we learned today. How did you do on the quiz? I'm sure you did well. As you can see, it's a simple and delicious way to practice new vocabulary and have fun with your kids or students. Be sure to give it a try and let me know which lemon or lime and berry you used in the comment section. You can also tell us what other recipe or culinary vocabulary you would like to learn. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a refreshing like and a juicy click on the subscribe button for more videos like this. We'll see you soon. Bye!